Hey, so guys, welcome back to another video. If you haven't already seen the new combat pistols in the game, so we're gonna be loading up into a game. Well, solos, not duos. Alright, we're gonna be loading up into a game and trying to find this new pistol. Alright, so new combat pistol. Let's see if we can find it in-game lobby first. No, it's a shotgun. New combat pistol. Ooh. It actually really sounds nice. Right, so as you know, I need PP, you know. OG spot. Well, we don't have the best drop. So I'm thinking, like, since I already found it in the in-game, like, pre-game lobby, that is pretty, like, you know, common to find. So hopefully you find it early on in the game. Otherwise, I'm gonna struggle finding it. Oh, we already found it. Okay, so let's look at this. So the damage is 24, fire rate 6,275. Magazine inside 15, reload time 1.4. Alright, so a semi-automatic pistol that benefits greatly from aiming down sights. Alright, so it actually looks quite cool. I mean, yeah. It also has like blue thing at the bottom, which I'm not sure what's it for. But you know, Epic has these weird and funny details that actually make the game pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it's nice. Okay, now time to get a bit of loot and go on the hunt for people. Looks like I can try out the new pistol now. Sneak up behind this guy. Alright, well, this gun is actually really nice. I wouldn't like a really good rating, but I would definitely pick this up instead of SMG. I'm just scared of this thing right here. Okay. So that was actually nice. Oh, found somebody. Oh, just an AR. Okay, let's see how much the thing does. Geez, it actually sounds really nice. The gun sounds really nice. I think Epic might have just fixed pistols. Whoa, whoa, bro, chill. Sheesh. What's the shotgun? Wait, okay. I'm not going to talk about that Epic. Oh my god. There we go. I'm just gonna camp over here because I have nothing else to do. Ooh. We have some fighting. Alright, I'm just gonna hide. Oh, okay. It's really bad.